Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to take a photo or video on the Box application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your home page and tap on this plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Click on the second button, take photo or video. Then you should enable the application to have access to your camera, so tap on the OK button. And after that, take either a video or photo, so tap on the video button in the middle of the screen to take a video. Click on the OK button to enable the app to have access to your microphone, and then you can start taking a video or a picture. Then click on use photo down below in the right side corner of the screen, and here is your content uploaded to your files. So if you tap on this, you can check it out, and you can also share it, put it into a collection, rename it, and other options are also available if you tap on this three dots icon next to it in the right side corner. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.